Hello everyone, good day. So as you can see, these small things, it's a call it we under counter dishwasher, and it's very easy to install of any kind of your like small. If you have a small kitchens and which is you sometimes you don't want to do manually with the people, which just take lots of time. So these small under counter dishwasher machines can help you to do your dishes on by own, so you can able to serve it to the people again. So as you can see, this is this is the power button, and this is the two kind of temperature for the water washing with the water temperature. You can set it, it's around like sets up 60 degrees Celsius, and this is wrenching, and then 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Like after the washing, you can clean up your you can remove the water when it's wrenching system, you know. And this is the set button, this is the play button, and you can see all the things in meter. The power supply is around like depends on the how big how the machines you want it. Sometimes it will be 220 volts and the 380 volts, but this one is 220 volts. So it's all the dishes you need to put here. So when I just open this one, as you can see, you can put all the dishes here, and this is the two kind of things, and it will turn around and it will start spray the water and very strongly, so the dishes will be clean as quick as possible, so you no need to touch with your hands or anything else. After that, it will done the wrenching, so you can remove it out and just close it again. So if you finish it or you want to start again, then you open it. And this is a very strong stainless steel. It's a 304 and it's heavy and it's very comfortable. Around like 15 to 20 years you can able to use it easily. This is also we send most of them around like Southeast Asia and some of the countries of the Europe. And also if you want this kind of machines, please don't forget to contact with the JK Dishwasher Company Limited. And we have this is the showroom where I'm showing all the things. We have the behind we have the factory. If you also want to visit, please come and check it out, all of them. And if you need this kind of machines in your small kitchens, please don't forget to contact with us. Thank you so much.